Happy Veganuary, day 9. It's a great day for one of my favorite recipes from my sister, butternut squash soup. We're spending it playing my new favorite, Harmonies. Let me know your favorite game in the comments below. To start, chill some coconut cream in a can. Saute 2 chopped onions and 2 chopped carrots in 60 milliliters or 4 tablespoons of heated olive oil on medium heat until translucent. Add a large pinch of sea salt and white pepper. Add 2 butternut squash and cook for about 10 minutes until softened. Add 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of chili, a bouquet of fresh sage, thyme, bay, and rosemary. I don't have fresh thyme, so I'm going to use a pinch of dry. 2 milliliters of grated ginger. Then add 2 liters or 8 cups of vegan chicken stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer for 20 minutes. Add the solid part of the coconut cream to the soup. You can save the water from the coconut cream for a smoothie or something. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter. I'm using vegan basil. Now mix. Now we're gonna zest a lemon. Now we're gonna juice half a lemon and pour it into the soup. Now blend with an immersion blender, but don't forget to take out the bouquet first. Serve with crusty bread. Let's try it. That's so good. This is amazing. Feels like a hug from my sister. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.